Hey everyone, welcome back to Just One More Mod. Today is finally here. I am so pumped. I am outside Kies Motorsports, and today we are putting on the AR downpipes, the ESS Charge Pipes, and the NGK spark plugs. Put it all together so we can go stage 2. Let's go check it out. All right, here we go. First startup with AR downpipes. Level. That, yes. I am back from Kies Motorsports, and let me tell you, now that I've gone about 150, 200 miles with the new AR resonant downpipes, I can't tell you exactly how thrilled I am. It is exactly what I was hoping for. I was hoping to increase the airflow, obviously, but at the same time, not introduce any more rasp, and especially not any more metallic sound. And these downpipes, I'm trying not to be a biased buyer, but I really think this is the answer to the S55. If you want to increase power, increase the airflow, and not introduce rasp or metallic sound, AR resonated downpipes, I think, are the way to go. I have not started this car since about 10 o'clock this morning, and it is a little bit after 7, so I think it's safe to say that this is a decent cold start. It sounds almost stock-like upon startup. What I have done with boot mode is that I have deleted the GTS roar startup, and I've also deleted the cold start. So without the cold start and without the GTS roar, it is now quieter than when it was with the regular downpipes. Hands down. I think just the cold start alone helped with that, and the GTS roar. So now in the morning, I don't disturb my neighbors, wake up my wife. It's actually quieter, and I want you guys to hear it. You had no idea that the primaries are gone. So let's start her up. What I'm gonna do is I'm even gonna put the windows down. And this is 100% a cold start. All right, I am putting everything. It is starting in efficient mode, so I will give you that. It's in efficient mode, valves closed, no GTS roar, and no cold startup. Here she is. That's it. That's it. Stealth. Completely stealth. Alright. Let's go to a place where I can do some revs for you. It's amazing, right? I mean, the car is dead cold. It is remarkable how stock like this sounds in efficient mode and just cruising around. I couldn't be happier. I did not want to introduce rasp, the metallic sound, bring unnecessary attention to myself. It's absolutely amazing. I'm thrilled. I'll put it in sport mode in a little bit, so you guys get a sound for that. But mainly, I want to go to a parking lot where I can set up the camera and actually give you guys some good external revs of how these AR resonated downpipes sound. Other than that, I'm extremely thrilled. Another shout out to Extreme Powerhouse, Mike on the forums, awesome communication, always fair, and guaranteed lowest prices. Incredibly happy. Unless you're just wanting to do sound and do like an AA mid pipe, and now they've just recently released the I think it's VRSF mid pipe, where it deletes the resonator and combines it from dual pipe to a single pipe. You know, that does a lot for sound, and I know a lot of people are happy with that. But let's be honest, it's not a power maker. You know, I think there are some claims that it makes some. A lot of people think it's just a wash, but no matter what, it's not going to give you the same results as your primaries, right? It was always concerning to me how you could increase power and not get the negative sound that comes along with it. Alright, so I'm going to pull in a parking lot here, and then I'm going to switch to just sport, and probably manual shifting as well. Keep the revs up a little higher so we can introduce some sportiness. Oh, a little bit of burble there. Windy, so I'm going to put that passenger window up, but it's definitely give it some depth. I have it set up so it's just less than 1 second, like 0.8, 0.9 on sport for a burble, around 5 aggressiveness, and then for sport plus it's about 1.5 seconds, 1.6 seconds, and just about 6.5 aggressive. So nothing crazy. I know there are two camps to the whole burble thing. People hate them, people love them. I find myself right in the middle. I like to know that there's a little something there, but I'm not looking for grenade blasts or huge pops. Just a little gurgle. So clean. It's so clean for downpipes. And here's the reason why I'm doing this video. It is sun in my eyes. I can't see a thing. No one can see a thing right now. The sun is at an awesome... Let's go. Send it. I'm completely blown out here. The main reason I really want to do this video, it seems that 65% of the YouTube videos out there that are about downpipes for the M3, M4 are all catless. And then the other 30% are catted. There are hardly anything out there for resonated. Like there's like one or two that I found, and I looked a lot before because I wanted to see, is this something, do I want to take the gamble on? And there's one other company that begins with A out there, and I know I talked to him about, during the unboxing, but I've just heard really mixed things. And it's one of those things where when you look at the price point, if it's too good to be true, maybe it is, There were one or two AR videos out there, but none that I found that the rest of the system was stock. It would be in addition to an AA mid pipe or some competition exhaust or MPE exhaust, but this is just a base M3. It's the stock secondaries, it's the stock resonator, it's the stock muffler, just the primaries, just AR resonator primaries, and that's it. So let's go out of the car, get set up, and give it some revs. The first rev I'm going to do is going to be in efficient mode. It's the way I drive around, I don't know, about half the time. And then the second one will be sport, third one will be sport plus. So, as you can tell, there's definitely a difference. You know, I do have the purple set for Sport and Sport Plus. A little bit more aggressive in the Sport Plus, obviously, when I want to go all out and maybe, you know, get a little bit more attention. But the fact that Efficient is just so clean, it is absolutely amazing. I think this is the answer for the S55. I really do. Lots of questions. I hope I was able to answer a lot of them for you guys. If you need anything else, comment. Be sure to give me a like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys again on Just One More Mod.